In this video, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT payment declined or failed issue. So if you're facing this error, so first of all check if your Wi-Fi connection is stable, or you could try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi connection. The next thing is, if you have any VPN or proxy turned on, simply turn it off. Then simply press and hold on to the ChatGPT icon, click on more features, then go to app info. From here, click on force stop, then confirm it. Then go to storage uses. Here you will find clear data and clear cache. Make sure you click on clear cache. In the search bar, search for ChatGPT. Here check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. And once your app is completely updated, you can try relaunching it and making a payment. And even after that, if it's still not working, then simply go to Chrome. Now in the search bar, search for OpenAI subscription. From here, try to make a payment. And even after that, if it's still not working, then you can simply contact your bank. You can also check your address and check your authorization fund. Even after all of that, if the problem is not on your side, then that could be a server outage in ChatGPT. They will fix it soon enough. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.